The next on the list is Mohammed. The next is the family of ASP Aliyu Mohammed. Family of Inspector Sule Zegi. Follow. Inspector Danjuma Ilya to follow. See camera, you are blocking video camera.
An event that commitment to the welfare of our fallen heroes and the families they left behind. Today, we honor their memory by fulfilling our promise to support those they loved and left behind through the presentation of group life assurance and IGP family welfare scheme checks to 1,235 next of kin and beneficiaries. The Nigerian police force is built on the pillars of service, integrity, and sacrifice. Our officers on a daily basis face immense challenges and risk to ensure the safety and security of our nation. The loss of one officer is a profound tragedy not only to the family or to our organization, but to the entire nation. While no compensation can ever truly replace the lives lost, we hope that today's presentation brings comfort and a renewed sense of hope to their families. As part of our ongoing reforms to prioritize personnel welfare, this administration has remained resolute in clearing long-standing arrears of death benefit claims. Today's disbursement marks the 10th phase in this continuous effort, with a total amount in excess of 2 billion naira being paid to beneficiaries of the 2018-2019, 2021-2022, 2022-2023, and 2023-2024 insurance policies. Since assuming office, this administration has disbursed 22,978,602,488 naira 25 kobo to 8,311 beneficiaries of our deceased officers. This is an achievement we hold with humility and pride. To the families present here today, we share in your grief and honor the legacies of your loved ones. They were not just officers, they were gallant patriots who paid the ultimate price in service to Nigeria. We are here today not only to remember them, but to reaffirm our pledge to stand by the families and the loved ones they left behind. I must commend the diligence and unwavering commitment of the Force Insurance Unit, whose efficient coordination has made these disbursements possible. Your tireless dedication ensures that our promises to these families are kept with dignity and transparency. I also wish to express our sincere gratitude to His Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his steadfast support towards the welfare of the Nigerian police. His commitment continues to enhance our capacity to serve with professionalism and pride. Let me reassure all present that we remain committed to institutionalizing a responsive welfare structure within the force, one that ensures timely, transparent, and compassionate support to our officers and their families. We are working towards a future where no next of kin will be left in uncertainty. As we close this chapter today, may we continue to honor the courage and sacrifice of our departed officers. May their souls rest in peace, and may their sacrifice continue to inspire us in our service to the nation. I thank you all.
The next is the family of ASP Danladi Samaila. To be followed by the family of Inspector Paul Ibrahim.